It's day 31. And while Women's History Month is coming to an end, our appreciation for women should never stop. Women are the real MVP every single day. They lead, they nurture, they sacrifice, they encourage, and they show up with strength even when the world does not see the weight that they carry. A woman's love builds families. A woman's wisdom guides communities. A woman's resilience moves generations forward. And because of women, homes are stronger, dreams are nurtured, and the future continues to grow with hope and purpose.